On 24th October 2022, the Naga Students Union Shillong had organized the first Naga Wrestling Championship at the Naga Community Hall, Nongrim Hills, Shillong, where those present included members of the Naga Elders Forum, Naga Students Union Shillong, besides special invitees to the event. Before the commencement of the championship, the chief guest on the occasion and also program executive of the Northeastern Service of All India Radio Shillong, Chris Nesa Rutsa, had addressed the gathering. In his speech, Rutsa enlightened the crowd on traditional Naga wrestling, where he quoted Marcus Garvey as saying, quote, "A people without knowledge of their past history, origin and culture is like a tree without roots," unquote. Rutsa also applauded the efforts of the Naga Students Union Shillong in taking a bold step to organize such an historic program under the leadership of the president of the Naga Students Union Shillong, INO Emeka Zohoto Awomi. He also expressed his gratitude to the NWA executive members and NWRB for coming all the way from the hometown to be part of this historic day. INO KEDOKIETO SIRIE from Angami unit emerged as the champion of the first Naga Wrestling Championship in Shillong, while INO Ludeto Sapo from Chakesang unit and INO Kevelhuinyo Kutso from Angami unit won the second and third place respectively.
Rituals or practices or historical or lifestyle, myths, legend, faith and belief. All that part of our culture is extrinsic, but rarely do we speak or discuss about the kind of traditional or indigenous games that we play back in the olden days. I want to remind all of you that one famous quotation by Marcus Garvey, he said that a people without the knowledge of their past, history, or origin and culture is like a tree without a root. Culture is a backbone of our nation. Today, I'm extremely happy and proud to witness the sense of love for the culture by our Naga Elders Forum and Naga Students Union Shillong for coming out with an idea to showcase and to promote our traditional Naga games here in the beautiful city of Shillong, which is backed up and supported by Nagaland Wrestling Association. They need a big applause. Let us give a big applause for this great idea.